Hello my foodie friends, and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Karen. So you guys, I am so excited today because I am doing my first collaboration video. Now you're probably thinking, oh great, you're collabing with another cooking channel. Nope. Today I am collaborating with a slot machine channel. So my good friend Simon from It's Slot Machine thought it would be fun to have a Buffalo Gold themed challenge. She has an amazing channel, and I'm going to put the link up above so that you can go check her out so you can see part 2 of this recipe. So like I said, we are going to be making Buffalo Gold cheeseburger soup in honor of that machine. So for my part of the recipe, I will be making the mini cheeseburgers or buffalo part of the soup recipe, and she will be making the soup part. So once I'm done making the little mini cheeseburgers, you are gonna go over to her channel and watch her make the soup. So let's get started. So for our mini cheeseburgers, we are gonna need 1 pound of ground bison. Now you can find this right Buffalo Gold cheeseburger soup is because the soup is a nice golden color with all the cheese, and then the little mini cheeseburgers are going to be the buffalo heads, and then when it's all done we're even going to top it with more cheese. So these will be cooking at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and then when they're done we are going to add them to our soup, which you are going to go over to Simon's channel to watch. We are back, and so our little mini buffalo cheeseburgers have been baking in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and this is how they look. And now, just because I do this at the end of every video, I'm gonna give it a try. You can definitely taste the cheese, and it has a really good flavor to it. And I could have just, formed the bison in little patties without adding the extra stuff. But when you add the ketchup and the salt and the breadcrumbs, it gives it more flavor and a better texture. So you're gonna have a better tasting mini cheeseburger. So now I want you to hop on over to It's a Slot Machine and visit Simon, where she is gonna be making the soup. So thanks everybody so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share my video. And I will see you on the next episode.